Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, showing you today this approved use of Volkswagen Caddy here in a Cargo Commerce Plus trim, show wheelbase and finish in candy white paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it features a number of factory fitted extras. Key equipment highlights will include these stylishly designed automatic headlights with daytime running lights, whilst around the side these silver wheel trims will also look really great and complement the exterior paintwork, whilst in the rear, vertical signature shaped full LED taillights will give your Caddy a distinctive look when travelling at night. The load area will also feature wood panelling with full height, as well as ambient lighting, bulkhead and tether hooks to tie down any loose items so they're not rolling around, whilst the quick glimpse in the front of the car reveal a stylish interior featuring two-tone cloth upholstery, as well as upgraded driver's seat with an armrest as well and even electric lumbar support. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with a digital cockpit up ahead with a customizable dials to make it your own. Center touchscreen is no different, offering twin menu setup and has plenty on offer with the likes of easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB radio, as well as satellite navigation can be enabled as an optional extra, but don't panic as you always have full support of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Various other vehicle settings are on offer, and helping you park are audible and visual front and rear parking sensors with a park assist system that can even guide you into a space. Other clever features for the vehicle will also incorporate a host of active safety systems to scan the road ahead and protect you and your occupants, but also there is so much more on offer. Fully adjustable speaker sound system will appeal to many, and easy to use air conditioning is complemented by heated front seats with a 3-state setting. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Caddy Commerce Plus that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.